I'm Tails, and I'm James Monroe, and today we're outside. Yeah, just to get fresh air. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay, hello. Hi. Just have to be careful with license plates and people. Gives me pretty hard. Alright. You see me? Hello. Hi. See airplane. You see it? Yeah. You hear bird chirping. Yeah. Right there's a tiny white dot. That's an airplane. Yep, it is. Look, 2 airplanes. Oh, wow. Yeah, you're right, Tails. Wow. Very nice. Yeah. This must have been a thumbnail, so like this. Oh, because you cannot see. Yeah, right there. Maybe that's fine. There, but it's gonna be hard to see that. I know, we really want to do it there. How about here? Yeah, I guess it's fine there. Yeah. As a thumbnail. Maybe. Okay. Very nice, right? Yeah. But I don't see birds. And there must be in their nests. Yeah. Okay. It's very windy today. Yeah. Wow. Whoa, yeah, that's flowers. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, the white ones? Yeah, this there, right there. Oh, it's hard to see me though. Yeah, because this reflection sun. Yeah. Oh well. Whoa! Hold on. Look how windy the trees are. I know. I don't know. This is a good day today. Well, the birds are singing and chirping, so it must have been a good day for them. Yeah. Whoa. Oh. Wow, those flowers. Yeah. Sure are. Yeah. Look! Whoa! Whoa! Squirrels! Yeah. Whoa. Gotta be careful not to record somebody's house. Oh, that's right. Yeah. So we'll be careful. Just like this. Yeah, that's fine. Whoa! Whoa! Hold on. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. Yep. Oh, look, more squirrels. Yeah. Wow. This must have been hiding in there. Yeah. Look at that squirrel. Oh, wow. Sitting on the tree. Eating. Well, you sure it's eating? It's not eating. Oh. Well, I know squirrels do sit like that and then they eat with their mouth. Yeah. But sometimes they do. They sit there. Oh, well, it is eating. Really? Yeah. But sometimes it's sitting there. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Oh, I know. Oh, airplane! Yep, airplane! Another tree. Yep. It's not growing any flowers yet. No. Maybe because the weather is still cold. Yeah. Well, look again. The squirrels again. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of squirrels. Yeah. Wow. Very interesting. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Are there any bugs here? Well, it's gonna be small, so it may be hard to see. Okay. Yeah. What's that? Let's see. There's so much leaves there. Yeah. Just have to be careful because we want to get poked. Yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. Pretty loud. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness. So windy. Yep. Uh-oh. What is that? Yeah, what was that? Ooh. What bug is that? Yeah, it's flying. I'm not sure. You can see it's a brown bug. Wow, yeah. Get careful, don't touch the leaves, it'll be dirty. Yeah. Here, go close up look. Yep. You could see it or not. That's okay. It's right there. You're touching the leaf. Oh. Alright, let's leave it alone. Yeah. Is there a time where we're going to walk around our neighborhood? If we have time, yeah. Of course. Now, does Sonic usually take you around? Well, yeah, mostly in our adventures. I know. We'll probably have to go somewhere that's safer. Let's go. Okay. Okay. So you explained to me about going to an adventure with Sonic. Yeah. And yeah, I usually go outside and go with Sonic most of the time, but sometimes he goes by himself. Really? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Sometimes he goes by himself without me, and sometimes I even depend on him. Oh wow. Yeah. And I have to do it by myself, and sometimes I was so sad and I was alone. Oh no. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yep, very windy. Oh man. We'll be right here, we'll be fine. You sure? We'll see. So are you gonna always take me outside? Oh yeah. Really? Yeah. Oh well. So you're like Sonic, but Sonic doesn't go all the time with me. Oh wow. Yeah. But you're different. Yeah. Yeah. I need some fresh air. Yeah, we sure do. And we don't go outside much this time. Yeah. Instead of trips or community days, we probably can do this a lot. Yeah, unless it's raining. Yeah, or storms or natural disaster. Yeah. Yep. We should go to the backyard later. Yeah, we have time. It's over there, so yeah. Oh wow. Yep, very windy today. And cold. Yep. Look at that window. It's broken. Wow. Yeah, very broken. Yep. Oh well. The birds did that last year. The birds? Yeah, the sparrow birds. They tear it off and they make it for a nest. Wow. Yeah, instead of branches. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I am very surprised. You should look it for yourself in the other phone. Which phone? iPhone 10. Oh wow. Okay. I was sure to see it for myself. Yeah. Oh, Cardinal. Oh yeah. Whoa. It's in there. Wow. Oh, where'd you go? It got away. Oh, probably inside. Right? Maybe back to its nest. Oh, I can see it, but I don't know if I can record it. Uh-oh, it's okay. I'm gonna try my best. Keep it moving, yeah. It's okay. It just got inside. Just for safety, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, so let's see. That's pretty dirty, yeah. Careful. Squirrels again. Yep. What's that? Where? There. Oh, yeah. Those must be berries. Or flowers if they don't even grow. Yeah. Hey, this could be our thumbnail. Maybe. Instead. But it's gonna be a little bit hard to see me. Yeah. That's fine. The sun. Yep. Whoa. Oh, something just fell. Oh, yeah. Oh, there it goes. Yep. Whoa, there's 3 squirrels. Wow, 3? Yeah. Wow. A squirrel's coming up the tree, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, I think we may stop the vid. Aww, yeah, I know. Why? Because I think someone has to do something very soon. Okay, yeah. So, is that fun? Yeah. Okay, well actually we're gonna ask again, but when we go in the shade, okay? Okay. It's so windy. I know. Let's see. I can try and get an area as fast as I can. Got yellow grass, dead grass. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this. This one's dead and the other one's alive. Very interesting. Yeah. Huh. I wonder why. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's go in the shade. Okay, that's it, everybody. Oh, yeah, I know. Is that fun? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay. Do you think we'll do gaming this week or Cribus? I think Cribus will do the most. Okay. Yeah, but however, someone has to do tests on 13, 14, and one of them is going to be in Luigi's birthday. Oh man, yeah, I know. It's okay. So we're gonna try our best. Okay. But you're not gonna be St. Patrick's Day. I know. Even Luigi's birthday and Andrew Jackson's birthday, but I know he's not gonna invite me because he doesn't like me. Yeah. And Madison's birthday, I'm also gonna miss it. Aww. Whoa. Windy! I know. Oh, so windy. Yeah. Whoa, what is that? That's a leaf. Oh wow. Yep, sure is windy. Sure have to get in safely. Yeah. Yep, it's been a while since I went for a walk. Thank you, Dad. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah. I know. I haven't had this for a while. Yeah. I know it's important to get fresh air. You said fresh hair. Yeah. Sorry. It's important to have fresh air. To make you healthy. Yeah. Okay. That's everybody. Yep. Thanks for watching. And goodbye. And see you in our next video will be available. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. Oh. It's gonna be pretty hard if we do this. Oh. Okay, I gotta sit like this. Yeah. Oh no. Depends on the wind. We'll try. I don't know you ever kissed me outside without being in the car. Oh yeah, probably never. Really? Yeah. Except maybe the airport, because we did that. Yeah. Okay. Yay, yay. Okay, bye. See you in the next video. We'll be available. Bye. Bye bye, everybody. Bye, 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 bye.